Next, the company we are going to visit is from Ningbo Yourong Lighting Company. From Yourong. You're alone. Hello. Hi, Sky. Hello, Sky. Can you hear me? Hello, Sky. I see that you are waiting in the chamber room, this video room for a long time. Hi. Hello, Sky. This is Jane from Lightstrade.
Hello.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Sky. I'm so happy to see you here. Okay, Sky, would you like to give us a brief introduction?
Hello, everyone. I'm Sky from Trust Lighting. It's my honor to introduce our company to you. Our company is a specialized manufacturer of outdoor lights in Ningbo. After 13 years development, we have an R&D team of 5 persons, a production team of 5 QCs, and 60 workers, who will ensure the good quality and timely delivery for customers. Besides, we built our own direct sales team in 2015 with independent R&D center testing laboratory, automatic machines, and organized marketing. Our technical team, production team, and the sales team are committed to provide the best package of LED lighting solutions for customers. Products are alive. In order to bring the added value to our customers by offering products, we pay more attention to improve the quality of our products and the quality of our daily work. We are focusing on OEM manufacturing and R&D for following 3 ranges of outdoor lights: LED floodlights, LED high-bay lights, LED bulkheads, and wall pack lights. These are our diamond series. And this is Typhoon high-bay light. This is housing of the diamond. It likes the diamond cutting. And this is wall pack light. 2 heads wall pack light. It is very popular in Australian market. And this is our floodlight series, 2 series. And this is bulkhead. They are all our own mode. And we have also passed the certificates from the TUV. And next I will show you around of our factory.
Great. Your equipment is so professional.
Firstly, I will show you our workshop. We have 2 workshops. One is in the 1st floor, the other in the 2nd floor. Here is a workshop in the 2nd floor. We have 2 production lines. In this production line, we have about 30 workers. These workers are all very experienced. They have been in our company for many years, and everyone has their own procedure. You can see. She is fixing the terminal junction box with the button, and after she finishes, she will let the whole thing flow down to the next person to make another procedure.
Oh, I see.
She is fixing the accessories on the bottom. She is fixing the driver on the bottom.
Okay. Driver assembling.
Yeah. No, he is now testing the lights to check if the lights can be turned on. If it is on, then need to check if the voltage is correct. After that, they will put the lamps on the rack
Okay. To pass the
on the
test.
rack and connect the cable with this.
Okay.
And then the lamp will taken to the aging testing area.
Okay.
For the aging testing, it is very, very important because in this procedure, we will aging for about 4 hours. If there is something wrong with the product, we can directly know it and then take it out. After the aging, we will pack the lamp in the production line. Of course, we will affix the product label on the lamp and the wire label which shows the LN to the customer. Also, we will post the instruction manual and the needed accessories in the poly bag. Then we will post the lamp in the master carton. That's the full procedure to make a complete product.
Great.
And the daily output of our one production line for floodlights, we can produce 4,000 pieces one day. For high bay lights, we can produce 2,000 pieces one day. And for bulkhead, we can produce about 1,500 pieces one day.
Well, the capacity is good.
After the introduction of the workshop, I will show you around our technical department. The technical department is the heart of the factory. We have many mirroring and testing equipment in the technical department.
So
here you can see is the temperature rise testing equipment. Temperature is very important for products. We need to control the temperature of the lights under a safe degree. If the temperature is too high, the lifetime of the light will be shortened. Now we are testing the high bay thermal testing. This is the IP65 waterproof testing machine. Most of our products are outdoor use, so IP65 is very important. Every batch of products are under strict waterproof testing. This is the anti-salt spray corrosion test machine. We use this machine to test the surface treatment quality of housings, screws, and hardware. The standard requirement is anti-salt spray level for 500 hours. There are also 1,000 hours, 1,500 hours, and higher standard of 2,000 hours. Now let's go inside. Here is the EMC testing room. After the sample are finished, we will make the EMC testing. This is a EMC testing machine. And this one is the THD test machine. We do all the tests according to latest new ERP standard. This is a photometric test equipment to test the IES reports. Products will be tested in the big dark room. Now we are testing. Now you can see this product is under testing.
Yeah.
This is a flicker photometer. We test the PST and SVM according to the latest new ERP standard.
Mhm.
This is integrating sphere to test the basic photoelectric parameters.
Oh, okay. Great. Oh.
And this is a microscope. We use it to check the ALD chip quality.
Mhm.
This is a 3D printing machine, and this is an oven temperature test.
Okay.
This is a high and low temperature test machine. We simulate extreme use environment and test product lifetime.
Okay.
Okay.
Lifetime.
Time is limited, and I have shown our workshop and technical department. The production this year is very busy, but we will keep investing and developing products. We will keep you updated. Please keep your eyes on us. Thanks.
Wow, thank you, Sky. Thank you for your professional introduction of the company. Thank you for your introduction of the assembling line workshop and the professional testing systems. Yes, thank you, Sky. So see you next time, and thank you for your presentation.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you. Thank you. Bye bye. Very good. Very good. Very good. Professional.